2 independent zones, precision spraying system, smart sunrise simulation. We didn't just build a container, we perfected it. Hi everyone, this masterpiece is ready to ship to El Salvador. It features independent germination and seedling zones for maximum efficiency. The racks are made of medical-grade 304 stainless steel and are fully adjustable as your plants grow. The lighting is 100% customized. You can adjust the intensity via the knob or simulate natural sunrise and sunset. Connect to the internet and control the sun from your phone. We've installed full sensors for CO2, flow, and pressure. Our automatic ECPH system ensures the perfect nutrient mix. Irrigation is done via precision sprays, followed by dehumidification to keep seedlings in the ideal range. From China to El Salvador and to your farm, Lyine Group provides turnkey solutions globally. Contact us today for your custom proposal.